Welcome, today I'll show you how to hide apps into Xiaomi 12 Pro. Firstly, open your settings. Then, in search of settings, write hidden apps, this option. And now from the list choose your application. Maybe go our home screen and find application. Maybe X-Icon Changer, Ampere and Google Pay. So go back, choose this application, Ampere, Google Pay and X-Icon Changer. And now I'll go our home screen and this application were hidden. So for open this application, do this. Press and hold with 2 fingers and like resize. So, and here we got hidden apps menu, so this application will be were hidden. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.